This is Forex School Online, the ultimate destination to learn how to trade Forex online as a beginner, and what's more, it's absolutely free to all our readers. Forex School Online was created by a group of ex-institutional traders who had the goal to educate beginner traders and hopefully to save them from making beginner mistakes. We are a real community, as you can see from our Facebook group, which already has over 180,000 members and loads of free resources. Let's start to learn about Forex Online, taking you from absolute basics. Our lessons cover everything a beginner needs to know, various key terminology, how to place a trade, stop loss and risk management, as well as some great strategies for beginners. Let's take a look now at our free beginner's guide. You'll find all the basics from what is Forex trading, understanding the market, then you'll move on to money management, trading costs and risk management, which are key when learning to trade Forex. From there, you'll go on to learn about important strategies and learning analysis and how it can help you make as much profit as possible. Once you finish a lesson, you'll receive a congratulations sign and it will lead you on to the very next lesson until you reach your way to intermediate stage. Then once you finish the course, you can take advantage of the free trade ideas, which can help guide you in placing trades each and every day. To get started straight away, click the link in the description below to get a free account. What are you waiting for? Click now.